Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something brand new for you, something we're super excited about. You'll see over my left shoulder here, a brand new set of Minn Kota Raptors on the back of a 255 FSH. But this is not just any set of Raptors. This comes equipped with JetBoatPilot's brand new cover compatible mount brackets. These are made out of stainless steel, powder coated, and they allow for your cover to be installed even though you have your poles on there. So today we're going to go put them to the test, see how they do, and kind of give you a once over. Stick with us. Well, we're out here at Shell Island. This is our beautiful Jet Boat Cove. For those of you guys who have been down for Jet Set, it's our favorite place to go. And if you notice right now, we're at anchor here, but we don't have any anchors in the water. Our 8-foot Raptors here, these are Minn Kotas, are deployed and down, and just with the touch of a button, we can go from no anchor to full anchor. I don't have to put out a bow anchor or a stern anchor. I can just simply push the button. As long as I'm in less than 8 foot of water, I'm good to go. If you're into fishing, you probably already know about these. These are great if you're gonna be trying to fish the shallows. You wanna kind of sneak up on those fish. You don't wanna make a bunch of noise. But if you're like me and you wanna go to the sandbar and you're trying to make things simple, there is nothing better than just pushing a button, dropping the anchors down. It's got a super strong hold, and the cool thing about the Minn Kotas is that they're constantly applying a downforce. So when you get that rocking action of boats going by, they're not pulling themselves out of the ground, they're constantly reburying. Show you real quick here on the little remote control, it's pretty cool. If I got this little up function here, I press the up button one time, they go up. And if I press the down button twice, they deploy back down again. So far, we're super impressed with them. I wanted to get in this business because I saw that there was a problem to be solved. A lot of guys have done this and done a great job, but I wanted to see where we could install the Raptor and also install the factory mooring cover. Bring the camera over on this side. Your mooring cover comes down underneath this rub rail right here. And we wanted to allow that cover to pass down and under so you could still have your cover on and still use your poles here and not worry about having to modify the cover. Now, it may not be exactly the same fit as if you did not have them installed, but I think it will still work. I think we've accomplished that goal. It's 3/8 solid stainless, powder coated with really thick gussets. It is bionic. It's not going anywhere. When we do the installation, we guarantee it. It's obviously going to be very durable, very safe, very sturdy. If you've got questions about the Raptors, I know you're going to have tons of questions, comment below. Be glad to answer those questions for you. Again, we're installing these locally here at JetBoatPilot. We're not doing these on the road just yet, but if you bring your boat to us, we'll be glad to install you a set. And again, thank you for watching this video. We hope it was helpful to you. And by the way, if you like this video, check this one out.